Today I'm testing out a brand new smart light from Lumary, the RGBAI Disk Light. And instead of just showing you one light on a table what it can do, I went ahead and I installed 6, put them in my theater, put them on the ceiling, and let's see what this thing can do. Check it out. We're going to be looking at installation, we're going to be looking at the app, we're going to be looking at controlling them all, the different color temperatures they can do, and then that super cool LED disc that spins around on it. You guys will love it. And the key feature, you can control all 6 of these at the same time with one app, one controller. It doesn't get any better than this. These are Lumary's new RGBAI Disk Lights. They're smart ceiling lights that support app control, voice control with Alexa and Google Assistant, scene modes, music sync, timers, and group control. They install into a regular 5 or 6 inch retrofit can, or a 2 3/4 to 4 inch J-box. So they're really pretty flexible in a new install or an upgrade in your home. I originally only tested one of these, but once when I saw it, I had to get more. So I went up and I got 5 more to put into my ceiling, and check this out. I swapped all of my traditional lights for the new intelligent lights by Lumary. Installation was straightforward. If you've ever installed a recessed light before, this will feel very familiar. So once when you get your old can out, on the inside here, you're gonna have these little clips, but you wanna make sure your spring is sitting in those clips. That's where you want your spring, so as you push your light in, that spring is going to keep tension and hold your light up into the can. Once installed, pairing them in the Lumary app was super quick. A grouping of all 6 lights together took just a few taps. Now this is where the fun really begins. Inside the app, I can control all 6 lights at once: brightness, color, scenes, or break them into different groups if I want. You can see how smooth the transitions are when switching colors or scene modes. Everything stays perfectly in sync, which is huge if you care about a polished look. You've also got timers, schedules, voice control, it works with Alexa, it works through the Google Assistant. I mean, this thing's got it all. If you're someone who likes smart home control, mood lighting, creating effects, these lights really do it justice. They look great and they really create that ambient feel that you're trying to go for. Overall, I've been really impressed with these lights. They were super easy to install, they fit really nice, they fit really clean, and then the look of them are just great. They sit nice and flat, they're not big and bulky, they have great lighting. You can do everything from warm lights to cool lights, and you've got the ring feature, you've got a combination of them both. I mean, for a theater or even for entertainment purposes, these lights are super cool. Links for these are going to be down in the description. And again, if you have any questions or comments, let me know. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the bell icon, and let's make this happen. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Here, check out this video. Check out this one. That's the Lumary lights on my house. Yeah, those are great. I like those. And then you can check out like a video over here. It's nice. Check those out. These are also some more lights like those. Good stuff. Good stuff.